Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
A portable power saw with a reciprocating blade. Can be used with a variety of blades depending on the application and kind of cut. Generally have a plate that rides on the surface that is being cut. Reciprocating saw, saber saw. Fine-toothed power saw with a narrow blade, used to cut curved outlines. Fret saw, scroll saw.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.